Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2015 Chrysler 200S, stock number E2364X. Only 14,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, we sold this 200 brand new, velvet red in color. To be Chrysler Group Certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5. 200 is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. With backup camera. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This 200S has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read. Again, only 14,000 miles. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Paddle shifters for the automatic transmission. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Along with dual zone automatic temperature control. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this 200 has a 3.6-liter V6, 295 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon and the city average of 32 on the highway. And approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.